Thank you, God, Source, for this absolutely amazing view. Absolutely staggering, breathtaking, beautiful. How divine is this, my friends? Highly hope this inspires you to get out of nature and experience this for yourself. It's just throbbingly delightful. Absolutely lovely. Thank you, God, Source, Universe, for this physical and spiritual experience. So good to be alive, my friends, and to have a body. Even when we don't have a body, we'd be so delightful and happy even in the next place. But this place, having a physical body with the five senses, at least, is so holy. It's so precious. I love being alive and I give thanks for all my blessings, all that I have. I hope you do too.